Alright guys, so this is a Chinese lightsaber that I ordered on the 24th of February. Okay, now I was like most people, I had no idea what was going on in China at the time. I mean, I sort of knew, like, you know, on the news they would say, like, you know, stuff was going on in Wuhan province and they were closing things down, but I had no idea that we were going to be like in lockdown. But anyway, it took 2 months to the day for this to arrive. So I ordered it on the 24th of February and it came on the 24th of May, and I impounded it. See, here's the story. So it was like, you know, DHL was going to deliver it. So I ordered from AliExpress. And it's not coming, and nothing's going on. They're not saying it's shipped. Finally, they say that the seller shipped it. First time DHL comes up with it, it's in like Hong Kong. And it sits in Hong Kong for like forever. And then I figure, well, okay, it's going to be impounded in Hong Kong. They're just trying to be careful with everything, you know. And then I'm like, I'm figuring it's going to get shipped on a boat. You know, it's going to go to like LA, and then it's going to get shipped overland. So the next time I get any kind of notification, it's in Leipzig, Germany. Leipzig, where the the virus is. I'm like, where's it going to go next? Are we going to go to like Rome next, and then Madrid? So anyway, that's why I'm using gloves and everything. And I actually impounded this in my basement. I put it in my basement. I Lysoled the heck out of the package. And I'm using gloves. I let it sit for 3 days because they say that 3 days is like, you know, a goodly amount of time to wait for the virus to be inactive on any surface, metal surface, or anything like that. Okay, so it looks like what we got here is a cable to charge it with, and the box is empty now. This looks like the wrap. Okay, so like there's you can wrap this around the hilt, and then here's the hilt, and then of course the blade. So now that I've touched the box, I've contaminated these gloves. So I'm going to take these gloves off. I also touched this plastic bag and a little bit of the other stuff, but not too much. So I'm going to throw away these gloves. By turning them inside out, I'm going to put on another pair of gloves that I will wash after I touch this stuff, which hopefully has been sitting for 3 days. It's not contaminated. See my American mask. All right. So now I don't want to let the saber itself touch. Ooh, it's gold. Ooh, look at that. Shiny. Shiny. And of course, we've got the blade. Stick that sucker in there. Let's see if it has any juice. Ooh, it does have juice. It's loud. Wow, check this out, man. Pulsing blade, the flash and clash, the lightning. let's see if I can turn this thing off. Okay, so I don't know how to use this thing. So I'm going to read the instructions. And that's your unboxing video. And see the little thing right there? And I'm going to play with this sucker. And we're going to have some fun. So that was your unboxing video for the AliExpress. $65 is what this cost me. And it took 2 months to get here. And it didn't have a name. It just said Lightsaber. So I'll give you all the other information, specs, as soon as I find out what they are. RGB lightsaber control instructions. Should be pretty simple. Alright guys, tune in to the next video and I'll let you know what's going on. Have a great day. See if you can help someone out there.